Hey guys, welcome to Phone Tech. Samsung has announced foldable smartphone Galaxy Fold. Let's start specification. Let's start with the display. In this smartphone you will get a dual screen. First 7.3 inches Full HD plus dynamic AMOLED display and second cover display 4.6 inches HD plus Super AMOLED. Now I'm going to talk about the front camera and rear camera. It has a triple rear camera, dual 12 megapixel plus 16 megapixel with LED flash, and front rear camera you will get a dual front rear camera 10 megapixel plus 8 megapixel, as well as you will get a cover camera 10 megapixel. Next I'm going to tell about the processor and chipset. You will get a 2.84 GHz octa-core processor and Qualcomm SDM 855 Snapdragon 855 chipset, and you will get a 12 GB RAM in this smartphone and 512 GB storage. Next I'm going to tell about the battery. It has 4380 mAh normal battery with fast battery charging. If we talk about the price, its expected price 1,40,000 in India rupees and 2,000 in US dollar. Thanks friends for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new video.